How you can log into your Line account. So first you'll have to download your account and then open your Line. Now, once you open it, you have two options. If you already have made an account, you can just log into it, or if you want to sign up to a new account, you can tap on sign up. Either way, you can sign up or log in. So I have already made an account, so I'm just going to tap on login, and this will ask you to log in with a QR code, or you can try for another method. Right now I'm going to do another method, and if you have logged in with your phone number, you just tap on it, or if you have logged in with your Google account, you just tap on it. And you also have an option to continue with your Apple ID. So I'm just going to choose my Google account. Once you've chosen your account, it will ask you to log in, so you're just going to tap on login, and you can restore your chat history if you want by selecting an account, or you can skip this step. Right now I don't have any chat history, so I don't need to restore any, so I'm just going to skip this step and just tap on continue. This will sync your account data. You'll just have to wait for a while, and after it's done syncing your account data, you will now be logged into your uh, Line account. So this is how you can quickly log into your Line account, or you can sign up to your account if you don't have one. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.